for this industry. Now, I want us all Ghanaians to realize what we got in this country. We got some beautiful talents, and we all need to support. All we need is your support. And we want to say thank you to you all for coming out to celebrate with all of us. On this note, we do this 20-year-old song.
Beautiful song. Beautiful song. Before we do this song, can I say one thing? Can I have 10 seconds to say something? I want you all to give it up. Say yeah, yeah, for Kwabena. Please, one more time. It's not loud enough. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hey! I have been a very big fan of Kwabena. I think I was in SS1 when the song Asa came out. Yeah, that doesn't mean you are old. You started very, very late. You started very early. To be honest, I want you guys to look into my eyes. There are 2 songs that I can sing, like from the depth of my heart, which is Kwabena, Asa, and 2 things African Queen. Because I learned those songs.
Let's